Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter again out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video. And at the bottom of this video, you're going to see that subscribe button. Just go ahead and hit it. Once you hit that subscribe button, you will receive the next video that I record. This video is about one of the program. Of course, all of my videos are about marketing online marketing tools, and different programs that I am involved with. Now here's a program called Passive Profit. It's a postcard program that all you have to do is join in. When you join in, you're gonna receive an ID number, which mine is 0359. And this is the number that they would call once you get your cards, and your picture can go right there. This is the owner of the program, him and his wife. You're gonna get a card with your number, with your ID number on it, and this is the number that they're gonna call. And once they call that number, we have closers that will close the deal for you. You have 4 different positions. I think it's 4, it might be, no, it's 6 different positions that you can join up with. You can choose the one that fits your budget. This is called Passive Profit. I named my domain My Passive Profit Income. So once you join up, whatever position you desire or that you can afford, you're gonna get, like I said, your postcard. And then you're gonna get a postcard like this. It say fire your boss, and then your ID number is gonna go here. If you want to right now, you can call that number 1-800-474-1375 and give them my ID number 0359. Okay, with that said, you're gonna get postcard stamps. You buy your postcard stamps. You peel one off, put it on your postcard right here. Then no, you put your label, your lead right here, which you get lead when you first start. Your leads right here, your stamp up there, and just mail it out. That's all you do. And with this program, you can make up to 500,000, 250, $100, whatever level you decide to join in at, you will get paid. Once a person call that number and give the closer your ID. You don't have to do nothing but mail out this card, mail out a postcard. But you do have the option of getting a website if you would like, which I would have my link down at the bottom of this video in the description part, where you can click on that link, see what your website would look like, and then just give them a call. And you don't have to go to an everyday job, 8-hour job to start making money. You can make money right from your home by mailing out postcards. My passive profit is passive profit income business. That's just another way that you can make money from home. I try different ways of making money. One way is my online marketing, my marketing tools that I present to the public, online marketers that they can use. I'm getting paid through that. And then I have other little programs that I've joined up in. And then I have high ticket programs. It's up to you on which one that you want to choose when I present it to you. So, it's not for the naysayers. You can kick tires all day long, but you have to get off the bleachers and get into the race if you want to make money from home. My name is Marlon Carter. I am the Elder Marlon Carter from Dallas, Texas. I am a gospel preacher. That's first and foremost in my life. I serve God, and then I'm an entrepreneur next. So, I make money from home. So if you have a desire to make an income from home, try out the postcards. Try mailing out some postcards. Call that number, 1-800-474-1375. Give them my ID number, 359. And once you get started, you get an ID number yourself. All right. Again, thank you for watching my video. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye now.